In today's video, we're going to cover the new traffic lights outside Stirling train station. The first way we're going to look at is coming past the bus station. Now, as we can see from the animation, the traffic lights change to green and they stay green, allowing you to proceed nice and easy. However, if we change this and we say that we've been stuck in a line of traffic, what may happen is that you proceed past the first traffic light when it's green, however it changes back to red by the time that you get to the second traffic light. Remember the rule though, at traffic lights there must be a white line to show where to stop. If there isn't, you've already passed it and you proceed through it. Let's have a look at a real clip of this. As we can see, we're about to pass the first traffic light. This has a solid white line at it. This means that if the traffic light changes back to amber and red, we must stop behind the white line. If the second traffic light changed back to red, then we can see that there is no solid white line here this time, meaning this light is now not for me. Therefore, I can keep following the road ahead. The next way we're going to look at is coming from the town centre and turning left at the traffic lights. Our traffic lights will change to green. However, once we go round the bend, we will see a red traffic light. Again, we don't have a solid white line to stop at, so this light must not be for us. So we carry on through. Let's have a look at a real clip of this. Once our traffic lights change to green, we start to turn the bend round to the left and see the red traffic light. Again, we don't have a solid white line to stop at, so this light is not for us. So we carry on following the road ahead. I hope this helps.